Mes élèves de français 1, bonjour, comment allez-vous aujourd'hui? Joyeux vendredi. Alors, today you are going to see aller plus the preposition a et aller plus infinitif. Donc, you remember that aller plus infinitif is used to express the future, the near future. Donc, you are going to make activities with both and to be able to distinguish when to use aller plus la préposition or to use aller plus l'infinitif. Je vous ai mis ici, I put you the page of your book here for you to review the conjugation, not the conjugation of aller, but the future proche. Donc, at the negative form, you see that je ne vais pas oublier la date, so le ne of the negation, you remember the negation, we saw that a while ago. You see that the ne is before verb aller, donc je ne vais, the pas is right after aller, and then you have the other verbs at the infinitive. So here, je ne vais pas oublier la date. Oublier meaning to forget. D'accord? So, and it's going to be like here, nous n'allons pas. So you see that with nous, we say allons. And because allons start with a, you need to have an apostrophe. Nous n'allons pas quitter la maison. Quitter meaning to leave. No, when you have new vocabulary, new verbs like that, oublier, quitter, it means that you saw them, okay? Don't say that because we didn't really take the time to work on them, you don't know them. You need, please, to remember these verbs. D'accord? Because we are not going to always use manger et parler. You need more verbs than that. And here, Ousmane ne va pas retrouver Salim au parc. Ousmane ne va pas retrouver, meaning to meet, Salima au parc. Donc, ça va? Ça, c'est pour la forme négative. Bon, maintenant, lorsque vous voulez utiliser la question, when you want to use the questions, vous avez ici la question, elle va aller à la piscine, et elle va aller à la piscine, she's going to the swimming, to the pool, you know that. Vous allez aller au gymnase ce soir, so you see that you can use aller twice. You can use it as aller, like the verb aller for the infinitive, and then you can use it for the one conjugated, and you can use the one at the infinitive also. So, vous allez aller au gymnase ce soir. Are you going to go to the gym tonight? So you see, even in English, you do that. Okay, so this is the same in French. Something else that I put on that document is the different word that you use to express the future, near future, or whatever future, but near future, aller plus infinitive. You have here samedi prochain, so means prochain. Prochain means next. Samedi prochain. On peut dire lundi prochain. La semaine prochaine. Hein? So, if it's la semaine prochaine, you'll have to add I here. La semaine prochaine. So you see that here I put E because it's la semaine. But samedi, all the days of the week are masculine. Le lundi, le mardi, le mercredi, le jeudi, le vendredi, le samedi et le dimanche. But it's not always that you are going to put the article. When you say the date, like today, nous sommes vendredi, aujourd'hui, c'est vendredi 1er mai 2020. D'accord? Vendredi 1er mai 2020. Vous avez d'autres mots après, that means after. Après-demain, the day after tomorrow. Demain, tomorrow, you know that. Ce soir, this evening. Cet après-midi, this afternoon. So you have these verbs. And also, when you ask the question with quand, remember we saw the question and we saw quand. When you want to ask a question about when a person is going to do something, you can say quand, quand vas-tu visiter le musée? Hein? Quand vas-tu visiter le musée? Hein? Donc, musée, ici, il y a un accent. Voilà, musée. Quand vas-tu visiter le musée? Vous pouvez aussi dire, quand est-ce que tu vas visiter le musée? When you don't want to use the inversion, remember that we say est-ce que. So we are going to review the different ways to ask questions, but here the quand is very important when you want to know an action that is going to take place in the future, the near future. Ça va? Donc, vous allez trouver cette page. Je vais l'attacher. I'm going to attach this page. D'accord? Donc, pour votre devoir, for your homework today, you will have to work on vhlcentral.com. Hein? You will have to go to your account and page 142-143. This is the page that I just showed you. One of the page 142. This is the one I showed you. And you are going to work in your account. So for that, you are going to select Unit 4 and then click on 4A and then click on Structure 4A1, le verbe aller. This is the name of the place you need to go. You need to click on this. D'accord? Le verbe structure 4A.1, le verbe aller. Et you will see in the page, this is on your left, but after that you know that when you go center, you will see under practice activities, you will do essayer and samedi prochain and on y va ou pas. Donc vous avez 3 activités à faire ici. 3 different activities. Voilà. And when you are done, of course, don't forget to submit your exit ticket and you'll be done for the day. And if you want to have more clarification, don't forget that you have tutorial this afternoon from 3 to 4 p.m. Voilà. Je vous souhaite une excellente journée. Bon courage, très bon week-end et à la semaine prochaine.